talk about how to invest like a Jew. Investing wisely is crucial for building and sustaining wealth, and Jewish culture offers a wealth of knowledge and traditions. First, Jewish culture has a long-standing tradition of valuing financial prudence and responsibility. This perspective is rooted in religious teachings and cultural practices that discourage gambling and high-risk investments, favoring instead careful planning and long-term growth. For example, there's actually Talmudic wisdom on finance. The Talmud is a central text of rabbinic Judaism and offers numerous insights into financial behavior. One notable principle is the diversification of investments. One of the great rabbis in the Talmud advises that a person should always divide his money into 3 parts: a third in land, a third in business, and a third in reserves or savings. This ancient wisdom highlights the importance of diversification in managing risk. Another central tenet in Judaism with respect to finance is the prohibition on gambling. Gambling is generally frowned upon in Jewish law because it is seen as a form of theft or taking something without proper exchange. Rabbi Moshe Feinstein, a leading authority for Jewish law, stated that gambling creates an illusion of easy wealth without labor, which is contrary to the Jewish work ethic that values earning money through productive means and a contribution to society. This cultural aversion to gambling reinforces a focus on investments that contribute to sustained growth and community benefit. Let's look at some of the historical investment strategies of Jews. Throughout history, Jews have developed strategies to enhance their financial standing, often in response to the socioeconomic context they found themselves in. For example, real estate. Historically, Jews have invested significantly in real estate. Land ownership has been a traditional way to secure financial stability and generate income through rent or agricultural produce. This focus on tangible assets provides a hedge against inflation and economic volatility. Another aspect is trade and commerce. From medieval times through the modern era, Jews have been involved in trade and commerce, sectors that require a keen understanding of market dynamics and prudent financial management. Jewish merchants often financed trade expeditions, diversified their portfolios, and reinvested profits into their business and communities. Another element to look at is education and professional development. Investing in education and professional skills has been another cornerstone of Jewish financial strategy. The emphasis on learning and intellectual development equips individuals with the skills needed to adapt to changing economic conditions and to pursue high-earning professions. This investment in human capital has had long-lasting effects on the financial stability of Jewish communities. Now let's consider some of the strategies of prominent Jewish investors. Several Jewish investors and financial experts have become well known for the successful investment strategies and ability to balance their portfolios long-term for growth. For example, Warren Buffett, although he's not Jewish, his investment philosophy aligns closely with many principles found in Jewish investment strategies. Buffett is known for his focus on value investing, which involves picking stocks that appear to be trading for less than their intrinsic value. He emphasizes thorough research, patience, and long-term investment horizons, avoiding the temptation of speculative plays. Michael Steinhardt is a prominent Jewish investor and a hedge fund manager, and he is known for his disciplined approach to investing. Steinhardt's strategy includes rigorous analysis and a deep understanding of market trends, along with a commitment to philanthropy. His success is partly attributed to his ability to anticipate market movements and invest in undervalued assets. Benjamin Graham is another Jew who is known as the father of value investing, and his principles have influenced many investors, including Warren Buffett. Graham's philosophy centers on the importance of thorough analysis, a margin of safety, and investor psychology. His approach is detailed in his seminal work, The Intelligent Investor, which remains a must-read for those interested in sustainable investing. Yet another famous Jewish investor is Carl Icahn. He is known for his activist investment strategy. Icahn's approach involves acquiring significant stakes in undervalued companies and pushing for changes to unlock shareholder value. Guys, I've had to say that line like 7 million times because my daughter keeps squealing in the background. His success demonstrates the importance of active management and the ability to influence corporate governance for improved performance, therefore increasing value of the company. Now, another thing successful Jewish investors often do is balancing portfolios for long-term growth. Balancing a portfolio is crucial for managing risk and ensuring long-term financial health. Jewish investors and financial experts often employ several strategies to achieve this balance. For example, diversification. As advised in the Talmud, diversification remains a key strategy. By spreading investments across various asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities, investors can mitigate the risk of significant losses in any one area. Another trend you've seen across all of these different Jewish investors is value investing. Value investing involves selecting stocks that appear to be undervalued based on fundamental analysis. This strategy focuses on long-term gains rather than short-term profits, aligning with the Jewish cultural emphasis on prudent financial planning. planning. Ethical investing is another key tenet in Jewish culture. Jewish investors often consider ethical implications when making investment decisions. Now, there are obviously always exceptions to this rule, and there are always bad apples in every group of people, but this is what the basic principles of Judaism dictate. This approach aligns with Jewish values of social justice and communal responsibility, as well as giving back to the community. Ethical investing includes avoiding industries that are harmful to society and supporting those that contribute positively to the community and environment, or who provide value to the community. Impact investing is gaining traction among Jewish investors who seek to generate social and environmental benefits alongside financial returns. This approach is an extension of the Jewish tradition of tikkun olam, which means the concept of repairing the world. Investments in renewable energy, for example, or sustainable agriculture and social enterprises are examples of how impact investing can align with Jewish values. Jews traditionally are also very involved in technology and innovation. Investing in technology and innovation is an area where Jewish investors have made significant contributions. By supporting innovation, these investors contribute to economic development and create opportunities for future generations. Now, another major aspect of Jewish culture is community and philanthropy. Jewish culture places a strong emphasis on community support and philanthropy. Successful Jewish investors often reinvest their wealth into their community through charitable donations, educational initiatives, and social programs. This not only benefits society, but also reinforces a positive feedback loop that supports long-term economic stability and growth. For those looking to invest like a Jew, here are some practical steps to consider. 1. Invest in your own education by reading seminal works on investing, attending financial seminars, and learning from successful investors or mentors. 2. Understanding the fundamentals of finance and the principles of value investing is crucial. 3. Diversify your portfolio. Follow the Talmudic advice of diversification to spread risk across different asset classes. This includes a mix of equities, fixed income, real estate, and other investments. 4. Invest ethically. Consider the social and environmental impact of your investments. Align your portfolio with your values by supporting industries and companies that contribute positively to society. 5. Focus on long-term growth. Avoid the temptation to be speculative with your investments for short-term gains. Instead, focus on long-term growth by investing in fundamentally strong companies and assets. 6. Stay disciplined. Develop a disciplined investment strategy based on thorough research and analysis. Stick to your plan and avoid making impulsive decisions based on market fluctuations. 7. Reinvest in the community. Follow the example of successful Jewish investors by reinvesting a portion of your profits into the community through philanthropy and social initiatives. If you think about it, the Jewish focus on giving back to the community and investing into things that are productive for society and that serve society is actually a very sound financial investment strategy, because things that have value for society are things that people are going to put money into and are always willing to pay for. So it's a win-win situation. You get to increase your financial standing and you also get to serve society. So all of the above is essentially the Jewish approach to investing and how you can invest like a Jew. So if you enjoyed this video, please like my video down below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and you should watch this next video over here, which YouTube thinks you're really going to enjoy. Thank you guys all so much for watching.